was interesting. It was a beamer group. Not exactly what I was looking for. I have to just wait for them to move along, get the drone up. I'm very curious of what it's gonna look like because it was very hard to see on the phone. I'll just have a good lunch and then hopefully that will be enough for the rest of the day, because then I have to keep on moving. I've got plenty more to go. I was meant to arrive at Jindabyne at 11:30. At the moment it's saying 12, so I've lost a bit of time and there seems to be more traffic now, so we'll see how that all works out. This mountain, very nice. I don't even know what it's called. Anyway, we're off to the snowy mountains. I'll see you there. Well, those mountains I was talking about that were in the back, they disappeared. So I'm guessing we're nowhere near those mountains. You can see here how arid it is, how dry the countryside is. Just over the mountains. Very different kind of scenery. I love how just the country just changes a lot. The other thing too, there was a little section where there were just pine trees. I couldn't work out what the goal was there, if it was natural or if someone decided, alright, I'm going to plant all these pine trees and create a pine forest. Wow, this is very nice. This is all flat, more flat kind of area. Alright, let's keep on going. There you go, there's another few pine trees. No one told me there was going to be dirt. Oh, alright. Hopefully it's not too long. It's interesting how there's these random windmills in the middle of nowhere. I always wonder how that works. Like, obviously it's a good place to have them because no one really has to look at them. But what happens to the power? So where does the power go? How do you transfer that to the city or, you know, the town? Do you lose a lot? It's a funny thing about Google Maps, it doesn't actually tell you if you're going to be on a gravel road or what. I suppose for cars it doesn't really matter, and for most riders it doesn't probably either. It's just me. It is warming up, but I gotta say the air is really nice and cool, so perfect conditions. This would be an interesting place too to get the drone up, wouldn't it? That's the only thing I've found out, is that setting up the drone and putting it away, it all takes extra time. So on a day like this, it's a little bit tricky. But in the future, I'll make sure to make plenty of time. Oh yeah, it's a bit rocky. Should probably take a little photo of this, eh? Come check me out on Instagram too if you're into that kind of thing. I think what I'm seeing now in the far distance, that might be the snowy mountains. That's gonna be a long way if I'm gonna be on a gravel road though. Does not give a shit. Me. He was going fast. Guess that's where the corrugated road comes from. Oh, I see tar. Oh, get too excited. Still gotta get there. See, I'm not sure where I'm meant to be. Little stints like this I can handle. 10-15 minutes. That's quite doable. Woo! Yeah! I always cheer too early. There's some more dirt coming there. And another truck. I think I'll let the truck go past. Finally, here we are, Jindabyne. I think I'm coming from a different direction than I normally do. I'm very keen for some lunch. So I'll probably have a sit down lunch somewhere. And then I'm gonna keep on keeping on, because I'm not even halfway yet. That's a good looking lake. My hands are killing me. They're not used to long riding anymore. So heaps of hotels and apartments you can hire here. Mainly for skiing season, but it's somewhere you could come into and it's probably a lot cheaper. Where am I gonna go? Actually, I think the hotel is quite nice. A little bit of a view. I hope to actually do food. Like always, the bike is killing it. Here we are. Nice little break. I just ordered a burger and a very light beer. Couldn't help myself. It's amazing. There's no one here. Just completely dead. Obviously the view is amazing. Very nice. I'll enjoy that while I can. And then before you know it, I'll be back on the road. I'll have to work out the rest of the route. See how long that's going to take me. And I might check in with my father-in-law, so see how he's going. And I'll see you after. Pulled pork burger and a beer.